The pause in the federal electric vehicle sales mandate is being applauded by the auto industry after it demanded the move for months. But experts warn we must push on with electrification and give car buyers more incentives to make the switch. CTV's BC Bureau Chief Andrew Johnson is tracking reaction for us. Andrew, where is the transition to EVs expected to go from here?
Heather, the auto industry is now calling on the two provinces with electric vehicle mandates, BC and Quebec, to follow Ottawa's lead and hit pause to rethink the speed of this transition. In a Canadian industry whose direction is largely set by decisions made next door, the auto sector is praising the pause on EV sales mandates after it says it was abandoned by Donald Trump's White House.
Our biggest customers said, we don't want your product. The Americans said, we're ending the incentives, we're ending the industrial support. Let's go back to pickup trucks and dinosaurs.
The mandate required 20% of new light-duty vehicles sold in Canada to be fully electric or plug-in hybrid in 2026, 60% by 2030, and 100% by 2035. A lot has changed for automakers since those targets were announced a year and a half ago.
They've got enough on their plate right now, so we're taking that off.
In addition to Trump's tariffs, Canadian EV sales have plunged. In June, they were down 35% year over year.
It makes sense that we would take the opportunity to recalibrate that mandate if we're going to have one so that it does reflect what consumers actually want to buy.
Some blame the end of provincial and federal rebate programs that saved buyers thousands. Experts say those incentives need to return, and a new timeline for the EV transition needs to abandon the one-size-fits-all approach.
We need to really find the right speed and different speeds in urban and rural areas. And we need to make sure that vehicles remain affordable for Canadians. But we also need to acknowledge that there is a cost to driving an internal combustion engine vehicle.
Canadian automakers say they are fully committed to an electrified future, but that car buyers need to drive that transition, not government. Heather.
Andrew Johnson in Vancouver, thanks.